Okay, good morning. So, how are you all? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any doubts? Last two chapter we did probability and mathematical reasoning. So, if you have any doubts from this chapter, please ask. So, have you tried? Like, if you have tried from any book or previous year questions, you can ask. Or if you don't, and then I will give you the questions from JEE mains paper. So, okay, you try this if you have not tried. So, I have previous year questions from mathematical reasoning chapter. So first question you write. So this is from JEE Mains 2000, है ना? JEE Mains 2018. So the question is the Boolean expression, the Boolean expression negation of P or Q or not P and Q. This is equivalent to. Okay, you have four options. So the first option is statement P, second option is Q, third option is not Q, and fourth option is not P. So please try and tell me quickly. So you have to prove this given statement, this is equivalent to which of the four given options. So equivalence you can check in two ways. You can do using tables, truth table, or the other is directly using algebraic rules. And I think in last class we did this problem. Maybe you'll try it and tell me. You try or you directly tell me to solve. So I will solve you and I will not wait for you. So if I'm waiting for you, then you please tell answer. Or if you don't want to try or you are not able to do, then you say me that I'm not able to do or whatever reason is okay. So that I can solve for you. So we have negation of P or Q or not P and Q. Okay. So what you can do, this is equivalent to you open the negation of the outside. So it's a not P and not Q, this one, or not P and Q. So what you do, you take not P common and so you have a not Q or Q. So see what I'm doing. This negation P and we took outside. So here we have negation Q or Q. Distributive law, okay? You can apply distributive law. Now negation P and so not Q or Q. So not Q or Q. So see, this is identity. If you remember directly, if you don't remember, you can do. So Q is true, then not Q is false. False or true is true. If Q is false, not Q is true. True or false. So in both way, this is always going to be true. And not P and true. Not P and true. So if not P is true, true and true, true, not P and true, not P is false, then false in this. So this is going to be negation P. So statement option D is correct. So given statement, this is equivalent to not P. Any doubt in this?
Sir, when we take common, the sign changes.
Which sign changes? Here I have taken, it is like, see, you have AB plus AC. So what do? You take A common into B plus C. This is distributive law with multiplication and addition. Same thing I did there. Look, distributive law. So in place of A, you have here not P, not P. In place of dot means multiply, you have this and. And in place of plus, you have this or. Now you just compare. So right side is A is not P, dot means into intersection here, and then B plus C. So B is this and C. Yeah. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please try on, and you will see this these questions in exam. So you can check 2018 paper, and you will see. Mostly the last question is of this chapter. Try question number 2. So second question is from 2017. Okay, so every year they must ask one question. Okay, so it's the 17. So question is the following statement. The following statement so statement is P implies Q implies not P implies Q, and this implies Q. Okay, so this statement is option A is a falsy, so it's a FALLACY. B or tautology, TAU, tautology, and C option is equivalent to not P implies Q, and the D option is equivalent to P implies not Q. Okay, so yeah, please try. So you can open a book and you can use formulas. So at home you can practice using this. So try, you know. So again, falsy means its truth value will always be false in all cases of P and Q. Tautology means the truth value will always be true for all cases of P and Q. Now, always true means tautology, always false means this. So in the book we follow, they use the word contradiction. Same. Yeah, so again we have two way. One way is using truth table. Okay, so this is from JEE 2017. And other way is using algebraic expressions. Okay. So what do you want to use?
Algebraic.
Okay, so let's see. So you know P implies Q is equivalent to what? In last class we have seen. So what was that?
Negation of P or Q.
Yes, not P or Q. Okay. So let's use this everywhere. So this statement we have. Okay, so let me continue from here. And a truth table will also make it easy because you have to, for the tautology, you will get always true, 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 false, false, you will get F. So I will do both the way. So let's see which one is easier. So first you open this implies, okay? So you can open everyone. So first you open this. So if you open this, P implies Q is equivalent to not P or Q. So not P means this one. P implies Q or Q means this one. Okay. So negation P implies Q and this implies Q. Okay. Now you can open this one also. Negation. This you can open. So P implies Q is equivalent to not P or Q. Okay. Or again you can open this implies. So this you can write not P. So P is already not, hai na? Not of not P or Q. Or keep this as it is. So we'll open later on. Now let's simplify. So if you open this negation, so what will you get? Negation of negation P, P, and or will become and not Q. Okay. Or you just open this also. So negation of negation P is P or Q. And this implies Q. So now P and not Q, or open this implies. Okay. So open this implies. So not P or Q or Q. Okay. So P and not Q, or you open this not P and not Q or Q. Fine. So now P and not Q. So now keep checking. I will not do any mistakes. So now you apply associative law, or you can distribute it if you want. So we can distribute it. So not P and not Q, okay? Or Q. So you can apply, okay, so you apply the distributive. So not P or Q, I'm using distributive law. It is like A plus B into C. So what do you do? A dot C, A into C plus B into C. So I'm doing that. Not P or Q and not Q or Q. Got it? Distributive law. Now, so P and not Q, or see here, not Q or Q. So if Q is true, not Q is false, or if Q is false, not Q is true. So one of them is going to be true and false, false or true or false. So what happens? True or false or true? Yes, tell me. True or false or true? False or true or false? Equivalent to what?
True.
है ना, any one of them is true, then it is true. It is or, so true, correct. So this one is equivalent to true. So not P or Q and true. And now it is and true. So and you see. So this may be either true. So true and true is going to be true. This may be false. False and true is going to be false and true.
True.
Okay, false and true is false. And is there. So I mean that this statement is true or false, the answer will come accordingly. So I mean P and not Q, or so like there was a formula P and 3 is equivalent to P. So P is true, then true will come. P is false, then false will come. So it depends on P. So that's why we have here not P or Q. So it's not P or Q. Okay, now come here. So what you can do, so you take negation of any one. So which one you want to take? Because if you notice carefully, the negation of this is this one and negation of this is this one. Can you notice it? So let me do it now. So take negation of P and not Q. So what will become? Not P or Q. That is this. So let me write P and not Q as it is, है ना? And this one you can write negation of P and not Q. So again you see now, what you can see, that if this statement is true, then this will be false because it's negation of the first, or the first one is false, then other one is going to be true. So we had directly formula that P or not P is always equivalent to what? True. Why? Because one is true, other one is false. It is connected by or. So true or false is always going to be true. Now either of one is true, then it is true. So final is true. So whatever choices you have for P and Q, this statement is always going to be true. And always going to be true means what? Which option is correct? Tell me. B, right? Tautology. So tautology. So this statement is a tautology. This is the one of the method. So one method was this. We used algebraic formulas. Okay. And second method is we can use truth table. So P, Q, P implies Q. So whatever the parts of graph are, so you, P implies Q, not P implies Q. So one you can take not P implies Q, then not P implies Q, and this implies Q. And at last you have, so at the last expression you have P implies Q, this implies not P implies Q, and this implies Q. Okay, and then you can make a truth table. You will see that. So you know how to make truth table. Okay, so at last you will see true, 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 true. Whatever you take, true, 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 false, false, true, or true, false, false. So in all the four situations, here you will see true, 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 and true. That's why this statement is going to be tautologous. So you fill this table. This is the other method. Any doubt in this question? Okay, so let me write the next question asked in 2016. So this was asked in 2017. So we did 18, 17. Now we'll do question asked in 2016. So this is the third question. So question is, the Boolean expression. So the Boolean expression P and not Q, or Q or not P and Q. Okay. This is equivalent to. So this is equivalent to. So option A you have P or not Q. Option B you have not P and Q. Option C you have P and Q. And option D you have P or Q. Okay. So I think this is easy for you. I have done two problems for you. So you can do this. You can use algebraic express method, or you can do truth table. Yes, are you getting? Or you want me to solve again? So P and not Q. Okay. Or Q
B.
D. Okay. Let me check. So not P and
Sir, B. Second
okay.
option.
B. Okay. So okay, let me check which one is correct. So P and not Q, or not P and Q. So what you can do, so again you can use distributive over these three, and
The D option.
okay, so you get D option. Okay, so one of you get B and one other D. Okay. So first, let me distribute this. P and Q. Sorry. P or Q and not Q or Q. So again, you when you forget, you remember this. A plus B into C. Okay. So A into C, B into C. So sign, middle sign comes in middle. So P or Q and not Q or Q. And rest, so I have taken these three together, or not P and Q. Not P and Q. So first look this. P or Q and. So not Q or Q will be what? not Q or Q. So Q is true, not Q is false, not Q is false, not Q is true. True or false? Always true. So not P and Q. So check if I do mistake, please let me know. So now this you can take together. Something and true. So depends on this. If it is true, then resulting will be true. If it is false, then resulting is false. So P or Q is left, or not P and Q you have. Okay. Now you simplify this. P or Q, or not P and Q. So let's use a distributive again. So distribute this over inside. So P or Q or not P, and P or Q and Q. Not here will be what, or because this one you're taking A, you know. So this, and this. So what I did, I simplified like A into B plus C. So you remember, A into B plus A into C. And plus sign is this one here. So this will come in between. Okay. So now P or minus P will be what? P or minus P. True.
Always true.
Yeah. True or Q. And here is Q or Q is again Q. So P or Q you have. And T or Q. T or Q. So it will depend on Q, right? If Q is true, then T or T is true. Okay. If it is false, oh. So what are you getting? Sorry. So this P or Q will be what?
Q.
No, it will not be Q, I think, because if Q is true, then true or true is true. If Q is false, still true or false is true only. So true or any statement is going to be always true. Check. Q you take true or false, it will not affect your answer. Answer is always true. For this I'm talking. So if Q is true, true or true is true. If Q is false, still Q or false. And the true or false. True or false. Still it is true. So it is always true. P or Q. Now, true and something. True and some statement. So it will depend on this. Because if it is true, true and true is true. If it is false, true and false is going to be false. And is there.
What's the
Yes. So I use two result, true or statement P. This is equivalent to true actually. Or true and P, if you have, then it is P. This is the formula. So here I use the first one, and here I use the second one. Now you ask please again, what do you want me to clear? Clear? Yeah. So let's start again. So what I did, just first 3 times I took, applied distributive law, then distributed, not Q or Q was true, true and something is that something only. And then we applied again distributive. So true or Q is true always. And this is again true and something is something. So something means maybe true or false. Okay, so this is also done. So option D is correct. Actually. So those who told option D is correct. Okay, so do carefully. And the other way is truth table. So you have to make the truth table for 5 statements. This A, B, C, D. Then you will see which one match with this given expression. So you can do using truth table also. So you have to match the truth values of given expression with the 4 options, and it will match with only one. Okay, so now come to the next question. So this will be question number 4, JEE 2015. Okay, 18, 17, 16, 15. So in 15, they asked the negation of. The question is the negation of. Yes. Hello. Who is speaking? Okay, okay. So the negation of question number 4th JEE 2015 is the negation of not S. S is a statement, or not R, negation of R and S is equivalent to. So the negation of this statement is equivalent to negation and not S or not R and S is equivalent to. So option A, S or R or not S. Option B, S and R. Option C, S and negation R. And option D, S and R and negation S. Okay. Yeah, so try this. You have to write the negation of this statement. Negation S or negation R and S. This is easy one. You just apply the negation and then use the De Morgan's law. Which one?
D option.
डी ऑप्शन. तुम लोग बोलने से पहले माइक बंद कर देते हो, मतलब म्यूट किए बस अनम्यूट कर दिए, आवाज पहुंची नहीं. सो तुम्हें डी लग रहा है, चलो चेक करते हैं. So question is, I have to take negation of this given, negation S or negation R and S. Okay, so let me check. So when you apply negation, this is and, this is or will become and. Negation of negation S will be S, and here it's negation over negation R and S. Okay, so S and here you apply. So negation of negation R, R. This end will be or negation S. So see, S and R or negation S. Which option is this? Okay, D you tell correct, right? Okay, so D is correct.
Sir, the signs aren't matching.
Are not proper.
Signs are
Not proper. Here there is only and sign, no or.
oh sorry. Yeah. So D option is something wrong. Okay, so 1 minute, 1 minute. So what I proved is not in the option, is it? So let me check the question. So question was negation of not S
P
or
can be the answer.
okay, B can be the answer. Okay, let me simplify more. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So till now it is known. So let me simplify more. So S and R, I'm applying distributive law. Okay. So S and R or S and not S. Okay. So I applied distributive law. A into B plus C. So A into B plus A into C. So S and R, S and R or now S and not S. So S is true, not S is false. S is false, not S is true. So true and false is what?
Always true.
True and false. And this is not or, this is and. True and false.
False, false.
This is always false. So whatever S you select, true or false, your final answer will be false. And now something or false. So S and R or false.
True.
No, it is S and R. Because if this is true, true or false will be true. If it is false, then false or false is false. So this statement depend on S and R. So whatever S and R is, so means the formula here I'm using P or false. So it will depend on P only. So whatever the P is, answer will be that. If true, true or false, true, false or false, false. See, are you convinced? So now S,
Yes.
yes, B option is correct. Yeah, you are right. So look carefully. So I was in a hurry. So here is or and here is and. So this is not correct. So option B is correct. Fine. Okay, so mainly you can notice one thing that whatever we did in last class, okay, yesterday class, one question asked from that only. Okay, so they ask you one question from that. Okay, so let me write the next question asked in JEE Mains 2014. So JEE 2014. This is fifth question. Okay. So the question they asked is the statement. So the statement negation of P if and only if negation of Q is, so this statement is equivalent to actually it is the option A, equivalent to P if and only if Q. The first option is this, and option B equivalent to, so it is equivalent to not P if and only if Q, and the C option is a tautology. So TAUTO tautology. Okay, and the D option is a policy. You know? Or you can say contradiction. I used to say this word. Yeah, so check. Not P, not of P if and only if not Q. So for the hint, you can, one thing that, okay, let me write negation of P if and only if it is negation Q. So they want to know this. 1 minute. So this is equivalent to negation keep outside. So P if and only if not Q is equivalent to P implies not Q and not Q implies P. Because P if and only if Q is equivalent to P implies Q and Q implies P. So now this, okay, we can apply the negation here. So you apply negation inside. So negation of P implies not Q and will become or De Morgan's law. Negation of not Q implies P. So what I did, just applied this outside negation into inside. So and becomes this and becomes or. Now again you can open this implies, so negation. P implies Q is equivalent to not P and Q, not P or Q. So not P or here is Q is already not Q. Or keep this negation outside. I'm opening this implies sign. So implies sign is equivalent to not P implies Q is equivalent to not P or Q. So not is already here. So not of not Q or this. Implies and a P implies Q is equivalent to not P or Q. So now you apply, open this negation and take this negation inside. So negation of negation P, P, or will become and negation of negation Q will become Q. Okay, this is as it is. And now keep this negation inside. So this two negation will be negation cancelled and one negation is outside. So this is negation Q and or will become and negation P. Okay, so why I'm doing this? 1 minute. So we can yeah, so we have to see actually what we want, right? So P imply P if and only Q. Okay, tautology false. So let me continue this. So till here it is fine. Now
Yes, sir.
apply distributive law. So keep it A, like A into B plus C type. Okay. So apply this distributive law and see what happens. So what will happen? P and Q or not Q. Okay. and so this sign of middle will come in middle. Okay, P and Q or not P. Okay, now you see here, so Q or not Q will be what? Okay, so this is here, 1 minute.
True.
So this was P and Q, and we took this or not Q. Okay, here it was P and Q, and we took or of not P. So this was together, okay? P and Q was together. So what do you do now? You distribute once more, okay? So P or not Q, P or not Q, and Q or not Q. This is the first term, and same thing you do for the next. P or not P, and Q or not P. So look, what is Q or not Q?
Always true.
Yeah, it's always true. So it's always true. And P or not Q. And again here, P or not P. It's always true. And Q or not P. So now something and T. So is something only, depends on something. So P or not Q and Q or not P, because true and some statement is equivalent to that, because that depends on that. It's true, then true, false, then false. Now you look carefully. So I can write it as not Q or P, and I can write it as not P or Q, because it is commutative. So A or B is same as B or A. And this is nothing but Q implies P, and this is nothing but P implies Q. So what do you get? P if and only if Q. So there must be some other easier way. I have done by wrong. So it is equivalent to, or you can use truth table way, but that will get problem. So option A is correct. P if and only if Q, it is equivalent. So any doubt in this? You look. So it is from JEE 2014. Now I will write the next question, JEE 2013. So next question will be sixth question from JEE 2013. So the question is, consider statement 1. Okay, so there are two statements. So consider statement 1. So first statement is P and not Q, and not P and Q, not P and Q is a false. So this is a fallacy. Statement 2, second statement is P implies Q. If and only if not Q implies not P. Is a tautology. Is a tautology. Yes. So options are: first statement, both are true. First is, okay, so statement are something like, both are true, and statement 2 is correct explanation for statement 1. So like this, okay? Both are true and statement 2 is correct explanation for statement 1. So like statement 2 is correct explanation for 1. Okay, statement 1. B option is statement 1 is true. Okay, both are true. And statement 2 is not correct explanation of 1. So statement 2 is not correct explanation for 1. C statement is third. So 1 is true, 2 is false. 1 is true and 2 is false. And this statement is 1 is false, 2 is true. Okay, tell. Okay. Okay, see, so B is correct. Okay. So first statement you can solve how. So you can write this is a falsy. So you can do using truth table also, and directly we can try also. P and not Q, and not P and Q. So check. What you can do? Apply distributive, see what happens. So P and not Q, you distribute it over this. So and not P. Okay, they are all intersection only. So they are all the same sign. Same sign means and and. So you can take together, no problem. So you can see what I'm saying. So P and not Q, this can you can write not Q and P. And here is not P and Q. Okay. Now you apply associative law. So what is associative law? You can take associative law, you know, A, B, C is A, B, C. Just to take bracket on B, C, you can take on A. You can take any sign, all have the same sign. So you take the last three together. So not Q and P and not P and Q. So what is P and not P? P and not P. True and false, false and true, and false and true, true and false. Is always false. False and Q. So now you have false and Q. Okay, so false and Q. And false and Q is nothing but, so Q is true or false, doesn't matter, it will come false only. Okay, so it's a false, and here is negation Q. So negation Q is true or false, it does not matter, it will always come false. Okay, ji. Apply distributive, and then P and not P is false, and okay, so you'll get false always. So the first statement is true, statement one is true. And now come to this. So you know P implies Q and not Q implies not P. They are equivalent. You know the word contrapositive. So I have defined P implies Q is equivalent to not Q implies not P. And we have proved in last class that a statement in contrapositive are positive, and the converse and inverse. So converse and inverse both are equivalent. Okay, so these two are equivalent. So since both are the same statement, so this if and only if this. Yes, because both are same, this is the correct statement. Are you getting my point? So this statement is also same as P if and only if Q, because a P, sorry, it is again P implies Q. Not Q implies not P is equivalent to P implies Q. So both are same statement. So this if and only this, yes, it is also correct. So both first one is false, but there is no relationship I see in first and second statement. Do you see any?
No, sir.
So like if it happens that the one it depends on the other, then we can say something. But here I do not see. That's why B statement will be correct. Both are true, but two is not correct. So there is no relation from B to A. I think statement two to statement one directly. So that's why option B will be correct. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So let's come to next question. So do you have time or you are in hurry? It's 12:15. So do you want to solve more problem or you want to stop here?
Sir, give for homework.
Okay, very good. So because previous year questions are accessible by anyone, okay, you can search on Google the previous year questions of JEE Mains and Advanced. You can search topic. So I would request you to please as a homework you solve the previous year questions of probability as well as mathematical reasoning. You finish, and if you have doubt you ask in next class again. Okay, so you please finish all the previous year questions of Mains and Advanced of the chapter we covered, and then we'll discuss doubt. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, and bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.